How pixel binning works in phone cameras. Welcome. In this presentation, we'll explore how pixel binning works in phone cameras. This is one of the most important technologies used in modern smartphone photography. Pixel binning helps improve image quality, especially in low-light environments, by combining multiple pixels into one larger, more powerful pixel. What is pixel binning? Pixel binning is a process where data from several small, adjacent pixels on a camera sensor is combined into one single, larger pixel, called a superpixel. This technique increases the sensor's light sensitivity, helping the camera capture brighter and clearer photos. It's commonly found in high-resolution smartphone sensors like 48 megapixel, 108 megapixel, and even 200 megapixel cameras. The problem with tiny pixels. High-resolution sensors have millions of tiny pixels packed into a small area. While this increases resolution, it also means each pixel becomes smaller and can capture less light. In dim lighting, this leads to darker, noisier photos. Pixel binning solves this by grouping several small pixels together to act as one larger pixel that collects more light. Step-by-step process. Here is how pixel binning works step by step. First, each tiny pixel captures light individually. Then, groups of adjacent pixels, often in 2x2, 3x3, or 4x4 patterns, are selected by the camera's image processor. The electrical signals from these pixels are combined or averaged using the image signal processor. The result is a single, larger superpixel that holds more light information and produces a brighter image. Advantages of pixel binning. This process offers several key advantages. Higher light sensitivity means the sensor performs better in dark conditions. The resulting images are brighter and have less digital noise. You also get improved clarity and detail in low-light situations, making your photos look cleaner and more natural. Resolution versus quality. The trade-off with pixel binning is that the final image resolution is reduced. For example, a 48 megapixel sensor using 4-in-1 binning will produce a 12 megapixel image. While you lose some resolution, the quality of each pixel is much higher, brighter, clearer, and with less noise, which is more valuable in many real-world situations, especially at night. Summary. To summarize, the purpose of pixel binning is to improve low-light photography. The mechanism combines several small pixels into a single, larger superpixel. The result is brighter, sharper images with less noise, though at a lower overall resolution. It's a smart trade-off that enhances image quality where it matters most. Pixel binning, smart photography simplified. Pixel binning has become a standard feature in most flagship smartphones. It perfectly balances high resolution with excellent low-light performance. Thanks to this technology, today's smartphones can take stunning photos even in challenging lighting, truly a revolution in mobile photography.